Hello student, I am Pankaj Singh, HOD Communication Design at IMS DIA. Today we are going to learn the importance of render setup. 3ds Max is a professional 3D computer designing software which is used in creating 3D animation, games, models, images, etc. and plays major role in the work of video game developers, film and TV studios. Rendering is a very important part of 3ds Max modeling. In render, we will see the natural effect of light, reflection, refraction, and some other major effects on our model by setting some parameter of the rendering option. Rendering gives a live visualization of any model after designing it and makes you understand how your model will work in an environment when it's applied in the real world. Render setup. Render creates a 2D image or animation based on your 3D scene. It shades the scene geometry using the lighting you have set up, the material you have applied, and environment settings such as background and atmosphere. When you give the command for rendering, what actually happens is that all the custom 3D modeling and scene building decisions you have taken till now are automatically turned on. The accumulated information base is used for creating the eventual rendering. If you feel that the render has not come across in the exact fashion you had wanted, you can always go back and tweak the lighting, geometrical models, texture, etc. for new rendering. Before we start V-Ray setup, let's discuss about V-Ray and its importance. V-Ray is a platform independent and available for many 3D programs. The parameters are the same for the different applications. The quality of the picture is in good proportion to the render time. V-Ray is constantly being updated. There is a large worldwide community. V-Ray is used widely also in film and advertising industry. How to assign V-Ray render setup? In order to use V-Ray, you must first select one of its renders such as current render. Open the render setup window. See below where you can find the render setup window. At the top of the render setup window, choose production rendering mode as the target. For render, choose V-Ray. As you can see, I already choose this in this scene. Press P so that perspective activate. You can see I already set up lighting. I use square light over here. I use sphere light, V-Ray sphere light over here. And at the back of the side, I'll use two light V-Ray square lights over there so that back part will be highlighted in the rendering portion, and one camera over here. So I just select the camera and press C so that camera view will be highlighted. You can see here we have camera 001, and there is a render button, render setup button. Press F10 is a shortcut, or press here directly. You can see the render setting inside 3ds Max. By default is a V-Ray is activate. So once you open any scene in 3ds Max, its default setting is like that. So how to choose V-Ray in a render setup? Go down, we have assign render tab. Here is a production option. Just click over there and choose V-Ray Advanced. Right now there are two types of V-Ray render. One is advanced and one is RT. RT means real time. If you render directly on viewport, choose RT, but right now I'll use V-Ray Advanced. Once I apply V-Ray, you can see V-Ray tab is there, GI tab is there. GI means global illumination. So all the V-Ray setting activated in the render setting window. Go command and choose press render so that render will be on. So I already rendered the scene so that you can see the final render. Here is a render. So you can see the area where I use sphere light. Here is a highlighted part of the backside of the square light. So this is a very basic lighting output. Not to I not use a higher end setup, but yes, for demonstration, I hope you like it. Thank you.